ihftv.com. Number one media platform.
Barka do ka ko bela jelena ka barka do diɲɛ denmisɛnnin bɛɛ lajɛlen na aywa tise kumala kosɛbɛ foli de tun don ka Mark Levin fo ok aw ni baraji
Mark Levin saya wayane da buventugo ayasila magole Mark Levin New York Marquileville, Tamu di Kemo, Didi Kalu, Saduni Basidugu, American Lalilela, Fravina, Jamabella Lilake, Malianu Lalila, Asetu Lalila, Marquileville, Tamu di Kemo, Didi Kalu, Saduni Basidugu, Mayatiki Bumotroke, Satulani Kombi, Foyodiara. Simamulokole, Markile Vilio, Isorole Bende, Palokukera. Silamoline, Ayasilamoline, Silamoline, Ayasilamoline, Sayawayane, the Moventu, Ayasilamoline, Bemanka. Ay silamoli be manga silamoli ay silamoli Marquileville, Itelele, Kedaniela, okay. Vive le Mali, vive l'Afrique. Mesdames et messieurs, je m'appelle Mark Levin, je suis conseiller de la ville de New York dans le 7e arrondissement. Un peu anglais, s'il vous plaît. I'm so happy to say a few words to you. The Malian community is a precious community here uptown. and in all of New York City. You have truly enriched our community and our city in so many ways. Your art, your culture, your music, you've enriched our businesses, academia, science. You have truly made New York City a better place. I'm proud to salute you and proud to represent so many of you. One more time. Vive le Malien! Vive le Mali! Vive l'Afrique! Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup. On applaudit pour M. Marc Levine. Voilà, je vous rappelle que M. Marc Levine, c'est le Council Chairman de G7. Voilà, il soutient beaucoup la communauté malienne, africaine. Il fait beaucoup pour les enfants et tout. Voilà.
Amina Yarabi, Amina Mina, oh, Amina Yarabi. Moraba le gadra wo kene, Amina Yarabi, Amina Mina, oh, Amina Yarabi. Dede buena moraba ma, musote buena frute ma.
You guys are awesome. I really want you guys. You know what? You know what? You guys are doing a good dance. And we're giving away $500 to find, you know, well, not to each. It goes up, it goes up. You can buy a big bubble gum. You're gonna buy 5 packs of Bubblicious because, you know, everything's going up. Does she win? Okay, Apollo, does she not win? She's the one with the money. She's the one we were looking for and we couldn't find. She's the founder of USA Mali Charitable Association. She's awesome. You know, this lady called me in the morning. She called me, you know, all the time to make sure you guys had a beautiful event. She worked hard. We thought it was gonna rain and we would have still been out here if it was raining because NYPD gave us, you know, the strength. Wow, that was great. That was great. I want to give a big thanks for the African Love Institute for coming out. Raffle coming up, guys.
It's amazing as always. Hold on. She'll just say a few words and then she'll tell you what song she will be singing.
Let me greet everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, thank you. Salam wadada. In Ethiopia, it means the same thing. Peace be unto you, my brothers and sisters. Oh, I had the blessed pleasure to be in Senegal and to visit Gambia. You can find some of the most beautiful people on the motherland. I'm so happy to be here with my brothers and sisters. And right away, I'm going to ask for the song without further ado.
If evil ever dare show its face again, I shall return and vanquish it.
Merci, je suis très content d'être là avec Madame Si et le Centre culturel malien. Ça fait quelques années qu'on travaille ensemble maintenant et je crois que le Mali, comme tous les pays représentés ici dans cette grande ville de New York, sont très fiers de leur héritage culturel et essayent de le préserver et de le partager. Donc on essaye avec Madame Si d'y contribuer et de promouvoir le français et la culture africaine et les langues africaines, notamment d'Afrique de l'Ouest et d'Afrique centrale. Moi je voulais surtout remercier le Centre malien de notre collaboration et remercier Madame Si et la féliciter également pour le travail admirable qu'elle fait avec tous ses enfants pour qu'ils puissent continuer à apprendre leur langue tous les samedis au Centre culturel malien. Donc je vous remercie, merci à tous.
You talking cash, dog, I go roll out. Shorty love the way that I flow side. We see the little of my dogs out. Send no pussy cats inside my dog. That's what got my daddy locked up in the dog. Free fan on the little of my dogs out. We gon' pull up in that like we got with them 16s, we gon' put some shots on. I send a little dot, send a drop on him. She gon' pull me up and I'ma sing that whole song. Shorty like the way that I want. Shorty like the way that I want. GS, let it go fall out. Shorty like the way that I want. All them bitches is a problem, we gon' go to ball. Shots popping like the air, y'all. I want you now, we'll rush out with air ball. Go a daylight and we gon' let them dead ball.
I'm gonna introduce Miss Valerie. She's gonna talk about some school stuff for our kids and everything.
Bonsoir. Je voudrais remercier l'association malienne de me donner la chance de parler d'une école qui est là, juste derrière. Elle s'appelle NIFAX et elle sert les populations de Harlem, du South Bronx, et on enseigne le français et l'anglais bilingue de la maternelle jusqu'au CM2 et c'est gratuit et les profs viennent du monde entier. On a des profs qui viennent du Sénégal, des profs qui viennent de la Côte d'Ivoire, des profs qui viennent de Djibouti, du Mali, on a des gens qui viennent du Mali, c'est vrai aussi. On a des enfants du Mali, on a des enfants aussi qui viennent d'autres pays d'Afrique. Les enfants, on a même des lions On a aussi des papillons, donc on accepte tout le monde. Quickly in English, I'm here to talk to you about the school of my children, the lion and the butterfly. It's called NIFAX, it's on 120th. It's a free bilingual school. We teach French and it's open to any underserved populations that usually don't have an access to bilingual education French. There is over 80 nationality and we have people from Mali, Senegal, Djibouti, Ivory Coast, North Africa, and we still have seat available for this year and we would love for you to even come and look at them.
If you see the senator, say hello. I love you. So to all the children, come forward. All the children, come here. I'm not giving you no money. But I want to let you know I love you. I love you too. I love you 3. I love you 5. I love you 7. I love you 8. And 9 times 9, I love you forever. So listen, you know where my office is? Who knows where my office is? What floor? 9th floor, you're absolutely right.
What, huh?
9th floor.
What, huh?
My office is your office. My office is your office. Maliba! 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 Bye-bye.
Thank you. We're gonna say thank you to the Senator Bill Perkin and his secretary. Okay. Thank you for all your support.
What's your name? Nafisatu? And which one is that on your face? That's a butterfly? What's that? Let me see. That's a fish? Yeah. Act like a fish. Let me see. What's your name?
Mika.
Mika?
My mom calls me Layla.
Okay. You look so nice, Layla. You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? You got a ticket? Hello, kitty. Come. Your name is what? Fatimata? Yeah? You a kitty? Yeah. Hello. What's that? You Spider-Man? Go like this. Psst. Go ahead, go like this.
For these kids, for the children, for the future, for the people who are gonna be pushing our chairs when my back hurts. These kids are beautiful. But thank you all. It wouldn't be a beautiful event without you all here today. You know, give yourselves a round of applause. You guys are great. You guys are awesome.
once again.